what I call disconnects. I don't know, did I...
What does that mean?
Well, a disconnect is two bogies connected by the log that they're carrying. Tremendous big logs in the South American woods.
Yes.
Not South American, in the North American woods.
Gosh, that's lovely.
And they had to have this, it's not what you call a flexible drive, but as it comes round, it's on the other side, I think. You won't see it this time.
No.
But it can come out and become, it's like a socket in the sleeve, and it can come separated. So you've got to jack it up at each end to reconnect it.
Ken, look at that. It's wonderful.
Yes, that's about as slow as it goes. It's on very, very low pressure at the moment. It will go faster than that, but they were never meant for speed.
No,
they were just powerful machines.
She's just going up there, just happy as anything. No, she's still going. Oh my goodness.
Yes. Now that's the speed I like to see it running.
Oh yes, it's lovely. Yeah. Well, that's what they did, wasn't it? They were workhorses, they weren't speed merchants.
That's right. And the track that they could run on with very small wheel, well, bigger, relatively big wheels. The track they could run on didn't have to be perfect track. They could lift the track up and move it, you see, for the next bit of wood they were going to clear.
Do you want to just check that point, Ken? Which one? That one.
This one? Right.
Right, she goes over that bridge. Oh, that's wonderful. Look at that. She's got a signal.
We don't take the notice of back signals.
Well, you might get a shocker this way where you might find you've been fined. Have you got any old sixpences, Ken? Or 2 bob bits?
There we go.
That is wonderful. That's a lovely sight, Ken. That's a lovely sight. I don't think my ball likes being in an open wagon.
At this point, right?
Way.
Downhill there.
It's quite happy, isn't it, Ken?
Yeah.
Oh, blooming planes. I don't think you've been on the bottom track yet.
Sorry?
I don't think you've been on the bottom track yet. See, now you're going straight on this time.
So you're coming up this line now? Yeah. Is that bit uphill there? Yeah. That's long range.
Through the station.